guys doing? You got sneezes? Yeah, look at you guys. Now that everything's coming out from underneath the snow, you getting sneezes there, buddy? Oh, there goes brother. Where are you guys going? Yeah? You guys want to go over to your rock? He's gonna go get on. Oh, no. He didn't even go to his rock. That's funny. Oh, there he goes. Nope. Come on, Dozer. Diesel, get on your rock. Go get on your rock, baby. Go get on your rock. Go get with Dahlia. Get up there on the rock. Good, bull. Oh, still didn't want to do it. Dozer, come on. Dozer, come on. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, big guy. Get on your rock. Hey. Hey, come on, guys. Come on, baby. Get up there. Oh, look at you. Look at that pretty face. Hey, Dozer. There he is. There's the Diesel. Diesel and Dozer both up there on the rock. You guys ready to go inside? Is it time? Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Be kind to everybody. We will see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, here's one last. Oh, jumping. Man, crazy dog. Bye-bye.